I'm back. So today I am going to do a natural look. I have already done my eyebrows and I have primed and set my eyes. So we're just gonna jump right in. I just used a little bit of the Essence Brighten Up powder. No, it may not be setting powder, but it's setting powder for me. So, well, yes, it is because it's baking. So this is what I use. So we're going to get started. I'm going to be using two palettes today. The first one is also the Saharan palette. And I will be doing, oops, sorry, I still have my little thing in there. But I will be using two colors. That will be Bororo. That is this one. And I will also be using Iman and Jamila from this palette. Okay, those are going to be my main colors. And I'm also going to be using the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette because this has the dark shade that I like in here. The few transition shades that I do use. So in this palette, I will be using Charming and Desire. Next, I'm going to go in with the Tease Me palette, and I'm going to use the Desire. This I'm also going to put inside my corner right on top of the transition shade as my transition color. This is my everyday look. This is a look that you could do every day, and it's not, you know, like too wow. Next, I'm going in with my JUVIA'S Place palette now, and I'm going to use my AC012 crown brush, and I'm going to use the shadow side, and I'm just going to do the Bororo. That's this color right here. It's a very shimmery color, so I can swatch that for you guys. So pigmented. So that'll be the color that I'm gonna use. Just gonna dab my brush in there, and I'm just going to, you know, dab this on. So going back in with Charming and also Desire, I'm going to use the two and blend them together and just kind of touch. So as my highlight in my tear duct, I'm going to use Iman. It's like a silver white shimmery color. I really like this color with these like the shimmers. They're really pretty. So I'm just going to take the other side of the crown brush, and I'm just using a little bit, just a little bit, and putting on the inner tear. So on this palette, there is a I like to use it as highlight color, called Classy right here. And I'm just going to do that to highlight my brow bone. Just a little fallout. With my crown brush, I'm going to go in with JUVIA. And I'm just going to do the under the eye. That's my pop of color. Here's the finished look, you guys. This is the finished eye. I just went ahead and put on the eyelash line, my waterline. I went ahead and put on some black eyeliner, I'm sorry. And then I went ahead and, like I had the JUVIA already under, I just went ahead and added also some black mascara in there. I put my mascara on. It's the Full Exposure by Smashbox. And that is the look for me. This is my everyday look. I know this may not look like an everyday look, but this is the everyday look type that I like to do. I really love doing bold colors. I just love colors, period. So leave me a tutorial, or leave me comments. Let me know what you guys think. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know that you guys are just now starting to follow my channel. So leave comments of the things that you want to see me do or try. Also, there is a little bell on the side when you hit subscribe. Go ahead and click that bell. That will alert you every time I upload a video. I'm trying to do my best with uploading videos. So I will let you guys know. I will have another one for you next week. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys liked the video.